What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I'm excited to announce the channel has reached 40,000 subscribers. It seems like we were just celebrating 30,000. This is crazy. Thank you so much to everybody who has been watching and who's subscribed and just has been a part of this channel, whether you're new or whether you've been around since the beginning. I started this channel in February of 2018. It means it took basically a little less than 3 years to go from 0 to 40,000 subscribed. That's unbelievable to me. Thank you so much. This giveaway is for everybody, no matter who you are, no matter where you're from. It doesn't matter. It's for everybody. It is not locked to patrons. It is not locked to people who are a part of the membership program. But no, this is to say thank you to everybody. Before we get started here, before I reveal all the knives that I'm going to be giving away, we're going to go over the rules here. First off, you absolutely must be at least 18 years of age to enter and actually win something. That's how it's always been. That's how it's always going to be. You just have to be. Number two, if you do win, you have to be able to provide me with a shipping address inside the continental United States. If you live outside of the continental United States, that's perfectly fine, but you'll still have to provide me the shipping address of somebody, who maybe friends, family members, somebody who's a part of the knife community that you trust that I can ship to first, and then they can work out how to ship to you. That's 100% how it's got to be. So when will we be drawing names for the winners? I'm actually going to host another live stream to draw the names live. I want to do that in front of people. I want it to be as pure and straightforward as possible. I don't want it to be pre-recorded. It has to be. I want it to be in the moment, and it's fun to do it that way. I feel like that's the most honest way to do it, and it also is the most fun. So we'll be doing that this Saturday. If you're watching this video at the time that I upload it, which is it's Friday right now, so that's tomorrow. Tomorrow, the live stream will be at 9 o'clock Central Standard Time, and there will be notifications. So if you're not subscribed, I would subscribe so that you know when that's going to happen. And then it's fun. We can all be in there together, and you could potentially see your name drawn live. We'll be using Comment Picker. You can go check out that website right now. You can test it if you want to. The YouTube Comment Picker website will actually, you can enter the URL of any video, and then it'll, you can choose Get Comments. It'll load all the comments up. You can filter out duplicate comments so that everybody has an equal chance to win. You can go play with that site if you want to figure out exactly how that works, but that's what I'll be using. How do you enter? We'll talk about that here in a second. First, I want to show the knives. I've got a whole bunch of stuff. Some of this stuff was given by manufacturers, and some of it was actually donated by generous viewers. I've got a couple of honey badgers here. First one up. This is pretty cool. This is a D2 honey badger sheep's foot. Comes in blue, but I'm actually going to include some white scales that you can include, or you can dye yourself. Kind of cool. Like that. This is very easy to manipulate. It has the thumb hole. Thought that was a really interesting one. That was provided by Honey Badger. Well, not the Honey Badger company, but it's Western Active, actually. They also provided a smaller one, and this is the serrated hawkbill. Thought this was pretty cool. I think this one is actually in ACR 13 MOV. Yeah. This one doesn't have extra scales, but it does come with a tool. It's going to be all brand new, original. Next up, this is one that I actually was part of the a knife in the pass run group, the Apex pass run group, and then they draw names at the end after a bunch of reviewers have seen it, and then one of us gets to keep it. And generally, I have to assume that other channels do the same thing. We generally give these away. We pass them on to our viewers. This is the CRKT M40-03. I'm going to be honest with you guys. This particular one wasn't something that I absolutely loved, but I think a lot of people will be interested in. It does use that new deadbolt lock, and I think after a bunch of reviewers have played with it, it's gotten a little bit smoother. The flipping action is great, pretty cool. This has that 1.17 something or other steel, but yeah, somebody's going to win that. Next up, this big boy. This is one of the more expensive knives that I'm going to be giving away. This is a gigantic G10 and S35VN Cold Steel Frenzy. This was one that was donated to the channel by a viewer, which I'm very appreciative of. This is huge. It's cool. I personally, I'm not going to carry this day to day, but I felt like somebody might really enjoy it. It's brand new. This is using S35VN steel. I thought somebody might really enjoy winning a gigantic pocket sword of a knife, so that'll be in there as well. Artisan Cutlery. This knife is the brand new Artisan Cutlery Arroyo in micarta and their new proprietary AR RPM 9 steel. Dirk Pinkerton design. This is a great knife. Fantastic. Very slicey. Very easy to manipulate. Really fun one. If you've been wanting to check out the new AR RPM 9 powder form steel, I think that's a fun one. Let's talk about these Finch knives here. I said Stillwater when I talked about these in the unboxing. It's actually Stillwell, Kansas, where the company is run. The first one up is the... have to check, make sure I check the box. This is the Cimarron. Very smooth G10, and these are in, this one in particular is in 14C28N steel, nice countersunk liner lock, multi-layer G10, very good flipping action, and it has the GLOW logo. These tend to be a little bit more expensive. I think Finch knives range anywhere from 80 to about 150 bucks, but that's going to be one that's in there. Next up, open this guy up here real quick. This is going to be the, I always forget the name, the Holiday. And this one I really liked. If you like the idea of a mix between a modern folding knife and a traditional, it's great. This is a flipper running on bearings, has the steel bolsters, nice G10. It also has the, this actually might be smooth micarta, I can never remember. It also has the GLOW logo. And by the way, there will be full reviews on these knives, which will be pre-recorded, so you won't actually see the reviews until after I give them away, but they will be recorded. Titanium pocket clip, really, really cool. That's another one that's going to be, I think, maybe 120, 130, something like that. The last Finch knife here. These boxes are very tight, very high quality on the packaging here, which I know some people really appreciate. Let me get this guy released. There we go, it's coming. So last one here is the 1929, which is a smaller one. This is, I really like this one. This one is definitely, or at least as far as I can tell, this is going to be micarta. Smaller, sort of your more Barlow looking knife. It's definitely got that modern traditional element. Titanium pocket clip, bolster lock, and this guy, much like the Holiday, is coming in at 154 cm steel, which is really cool. This is a really cool little knife. Again, I think the price on this guy is something around 130. Moving on here, we have some concept knives. The first one I'm going to show off here is the Little Main Street. Nice little EDC size knife. Or if you define EDC as a smaller knife. It's micarta and 154 cm. Countersunk liner lock, titanium pocket clip, another Dirk Pinkerton design. And this is coming in, I believe, yeah, it's 154 cm as well. This is using bearings. Thought you guys might really enjoy that. Next up, we have the Copperhead. I believe this is a larger knife. Get this guy out. I think this is also going to be on the more expensive end for, or it's going to be on the more expensive end for concept. This is your Marvel, or actually I think it's shred carbon fiber. And this guy's using S35VN. Is this a... No, it's not a front flipper. I couldn't remember. But yeah, you've got a nice choil, hawkbill sort of blade, countersunk liner lock. Pretty cool. Definitely going to be on the more expensive end as far as concept knives go. And then I've got one more concept before we get on to the grand prize. I know people want to know what's in there. The final concept knife is going to be the Goblin. This is also going to be on the more expensive end. This is a titanium. Actually, it's a front flipper. Show you guys, give you guys a better example of that. Front flipper with a nice big open thumb slot where you can absolutely do the reverse flick. This guy's also coming in S35VN and is running on bearings. Again, a nice EDC sized knife and very fidget friendly. Absolutely, it's a great front flipper. But you guys might like that one. I want to say that one's up there somewhere between 150 and 200. The final knife. This was a knife that was given, donated by a viewer. And a lot of people expressed interest in this. And I really wanted to keep this one. I did, but I thought it might be better to pass this on to the community. This is a quite rare version of the Spyderco Military G10 and a steel liner lock and a lock back, and this is in K390 steel. K390 is not stainless. This knife is from 2017, and although a patina is starting to form on it, I can assure you, other than some slight wear on the pocket clip, that this thing is basically brand new. In fact, the edge feels absolutely factory. There is no damage to the edge whatsoever. It's going to continue to patina, but that's not going to stop it from being usable. This is basically a pocket sword. Very large, very strong Spyderco knife, and not something that's easy to find right now. This is the kind of stuff that makes these giveaways really fun. Because of my reach with this channel, I do often acquire things, or sometimes people donate things that are rare and very interesting. And this is one of those situations where I can't tell you how many people have messaged me on Instagram saying, will you sell that? Will you sell that? I'd rather give it away. This is somebody is going to acquire a pretty interesting and rare Spyderco knife. You can absolutely use it. In fact, I think whoever wins it, you're going to get the most enjoyment out of using it. K390 is not a joke. K390 is CPM M4 on steroids. Best way to describe that. Hope you guys are excited about these. How do you enter? All you need to do is leave a comment right down below. I always like to hear either what your favorite upload was or which of my uploads got you to subscribe over the last almost 3 years. All you need to do is leave a comment. If you leave multiple comments, it's not going to do you any good because, like I said, Comment Picker will filter out duplicate comments. I will draw the names on the live stream again. That'll be tomorrow night at 9 o'clock Central Standard Time, so tune in. I'm hoping a whole bunch of people will be there. The last time I did this for 30K, there were a ton of people in there, and it made it absolutely a blast. I'll probably draw a name for a knife every 5 minutes. Considering we've got 12 knives to give away, it's going to be a pretty long live stream, but it should be really fun, really entertaining, and hoping everybody can just come together and just, enjoy knives, have a good time, positive vibes, stuff like that. This is a pure thank you to you guys for supporting me and allowing me to grow. And the channel's not going to slow down. It's not going to stop. I'm going to keep doing this, and I'll probably do it again at 50,000, assuming that I get there. But yeah, seriously, thank you to everybody. I hope you guys are excited about this. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at metalcomplex87@gmail.com. Leaving a question down in the comment section will be kind of difficult because there'll probably be a lot of comments down there. You can also contact me on Instagram if you have questions about the giveaway. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for information on my 40,000 subscriber giveaway. If you're excited in any way, shape, or form, or you're just feeling positive, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.